How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. Now, 8 years ago, I bought my first mechanical keyboard, which was from Ajazz. And in this video, I'm going to unbox the Ajazz AK820. Now, this keyboard comes in various configurations. You can get like a wireless version and, a whole bunch of stuff like that. I've gone with a simple wired keyboard with the red switches. In this video, I'm going to just do an unboxing and our first impressions of this Ajazz keyboard. So if you do have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. This is not a review. I will be having a review of this coming up. And you can see that it says collaboration with Narcodex. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Let's get this out of the flipping box. Have the key remover as well as the switch remover, I believe, and have the keyboard, and it comes with Type-C cable for connection. Ta-da! We'll take a look at this in just a moment. Okay, so let's bring it in. This is actually gonna just go ahead and connect it with this cable that it comes with, and that's in the middle of the keyboard by the looks of it. Okay, there we go. So I don't know what the heck it's doing. So you got the different lighting modes, and you got the brightness. So it's pretty simple. Let's see what this does. Oh, it changes the volume. That's pretty nice. Perfect. Oh, and that's mute as well. So that's mute. So this has the red switches. Let me just go ahead and bring up mousepad. Okay. So this is the US layout. I'm just going to do a quick typing test. That's basically it. So this is a 75% keyboard, and it took me a while to actually pick this one, because for the past few weeks I've been looking at mechanical keyboards to get, because it did sell the Kurui K082, I believe is what it's called, the Kurui keyboard, which was amazing. And this is basically the same thing. This is basically the Kurui keyboard. It's got the same kickstands. It's just not a wireless version. And you can see they probably have like a place for this wireless receiver thingamajig. But this is a very simple keyboard. It's single white backlighting, and it's wired. So I got this because it's cheap, and it's the only keyboard I came across that has actual backlit keys. And so I've been searching for like a whole week on mechanical keyboards, and this is the only one that I came across. Just honestly, I don't know what the heck is going on. I mean, they're selling keyboards with 3 different ways of connecting them: wired, Bluetooth, and USB dongle, and also wired, with all these RGB effects and everything. But then you don't have keys you can see in the middle of the night, which is just dumb. Anyways, I'm gonna actually do a typing test on this. I'll move you up to the side a bit. Okay, that's pretty respectable. That sounds pretty nice. So I'm just going to take a key off to see the key. So it's definitely the red switch. So you can see the red switch. I don't know which switch it is, but I doubt it's Gatron or Cherry MX because they're expensive. But the keys feel like they're lubed, so they feel pretty nice. Uh, yeah, they're definitely lubed and feel pretty good. So it's a pretty nice keyboard. So if you do have any questions, do ask me in the comment section below. And I'm actually going to leave it here. I will have a review of this coming up. So I'll see you guys in another video.